So we're opening the Doorables today. I already pre-opened this one. This is a little plastic. I want the alien. I really want the alien. This is series 5. This is the back of it. The bottom. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so you always get a little pamphlet in here. And this is just to tell you all the different type of characters you can get. There's a lot that you can get. Sleeping Beauty, Aristocrats, Toy Story, Moana, Frozen, Mickey and Friends, Bambi, Cinderella, and Tangled. And it shows also right here the rarity of the little Doorable you get. Okay, so let's see. Let's put this away for now. See who we first get here. I'm not going to show you. It's got to be a surprise. Open the thing. Who we got here? Ooh, Prince Charming. Prince Charming. Very cute. The back. Okay, let's see his rarity. I think he's on the back. He is common. Common, okay. So Prince Charming, we're gonna just hang him out back there. And so go ahead and get the next one. Let's see who's this. Ooh, this is Rex from Toy Story. I like his eyes, they're all sparkly, you see that? So are Prince Charming's eyes, they're all sparkly. He is common. Okay, so we're done with these two Doorables here. Let's open up this one. Or this one. Which one? This one. Let's open up this one. Okay, same situation. Series 5 Doorable. Oh my god. These things are kind of hard to open sometimes. So I'm going to keep the little manual from the last one here, so we don't need another manual, you know. Okay, so let's go to open it. Okay, we got another manual, just in case you need another one. So we'll go and put that back there. Put it right there. Maybe right there. Okay, so, ooh, it looks like we got 3 in this one, so that's awesome. So let's see what the first one is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hide it because I want to be secretive about who it is and just not show you yet. Ooh! It's Minnie! Oh, she's my favorite so far. She's so happy. Look at Minnie. She looks so happy and cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that one. She's my favorite that I've gotten so far. Minnie is common. Wow. Let's see what else we got. Go hide this off screen. You guys don't see what it is yet? Ooh, Olaf! Ooh, love Olaf. Look at those eyes. They're so happy. Okay, Olaf goes right next to Minnie. Ooh, Minnie just got knocked over by Olaf. I think it's because of Minnie's big old ears. They're kind of both leaning over. You see that? Okay, so Olaf is common. We've only got common ones. It looks like there's one underneath in the house over here. So, you see how sometimes when you get 3, it's underneath? You just gotta take them out. It's a blind bag, so you don't know who's in there. Let's see. Let's open it together. Oh my gosh, I got the green alien! Oh my gosh, I really wanted this guy. I'm so excited. The green alien from Toy Story. He's so cool. Okay, and he is rare. He's rare because he's green. So that's awesome. I've gotten so many good ones. I got Minnie. I've got Olaf. I've got the Green Alien. Those are a couple of my favorites. I love Rex. Can't go wrong with Prince Charming. Go ahead and open this next one. These boxes are hard to open. God, I can't get this one open. There you go. Okay, this is our last box right here. Last Doorables. Let's see what we got. Okay, seems like we only got 2, but here's another one of those pamphlets. Let's put it back there. Okay, I'm going to do it off screen. So we can see who I got here. Oh, it's Pua from Moana. Aww, he's so cute. And he's common. Got a bunch of commons. So put Pua next to the Green Alien. Next is, gonna open it up. Off screen here. Let's see who we got here. Oh my god, it's Anna! It's Anna from Frozen. She's cute. And she is common also. So this is who we got. We got Anna, Pua, Green Alien, Olaf, Rex, Prince Charming, and Minnie Mouse. The rarest one I have here is the Green Alien. But my personal favorite is Minnie, because she's so cute. She's just so cute and happy, and I love it. She's my favorite so far. Her character looks so cute. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.